Students. Today we are going to read chapter number 13, Adverbs. In this chapter we will know about adverbs. But first we will read these sentences and try to understand that. The first one is, I worked on my science project. And in second way we can say, I worked on my science project promptly. Promptly it means immediately, turant. I completed my science project. But when I completed my science project yesterday. The third one is, I submitted my science project. But where I have submitted my science project? I submitted my science project at the science fair. Once again, students, read carefully and listen it carefully. What are these sentences tells us? I worked on my science project promptly. I completed my project yesterday. I submitted my science project at the science fair. So first one is tells us manner. Second one, time. Third one, place. It means these sentences tells us an action is happen in which manner, in which time, or in which place. Okay? So, adverb add more meaning to a verb, or you can say an adverb is a word that tells us more about verbs. It means जो adverbs हैं वो word होते हैं जो हमें verb के बारे में बताते हैं, action के बारे में बताते हैं. कोई action किस manner में होता है, कब होता है, किस जगह पर होता है. So for example, we have seen some examples above. So how did I do my science project? मैंने अपना science project कैसे किया? Promptly. In which manner? Promptly, immediately. When did I complete it? कब किया मैंने इसे? Yesterday. It means it tells us time. Where did I submit the project? It means this tells us place. Okay, so adverb adding extra information to verbs. Adverb जो हैं वो extra information देते हैं verbs के बारे में. So there are 3 types of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, or adverb of place. Adverbs of manner tells us in which manner action is happen. Adverbs of time tells us when the action is happen. Adverbs of place tells us where the action is happen. Okay? Now, let me see some more example. So, how the use of how, when, where, adverbs. Okay? Now, the man drove slowly. So, how the man drove? In which manner the man drove? Slowly. So, here slowly is adverb of manner. Okay? Slowly is adverb of manner. He ran fast. In which manner he ran? Fast. So fast is also adverb of manner. She finished her work at 5 o'clock. When does she finish her work? 5 o'clock. It means it tells us time. The train will come in the evening. When the train will come? In the evening. It also tells us about time. Okay? There are 20 boys in the class. How many boys? 20 boys in the class. Where? In the classroom. Where is the 20 boys? In the classroom. So it tells us about place. Okay, place. We planted some trees in our garden. Where we planted some trees? In our garden. So it's also tells us about place. Okay, so students, I hope you have must clear this topic through this examples. Okay, so in these examples it is clear about the action of manner, time and place.